You're having a wonderful Tuesday. Meteorologist Rebecca Sweet here. It is a weather impact alert day as we are tracking the potential for showers and thunderstorms. And some of these showers and thunderstorms could lead to the chance for some flooding concerns on the roadway. Timing is going to be in particular going into the start of the afternoon, as we do have that level 2 risk in place from the Weather Prediction Center, highlighting an elevated opportunity for flooding concerns, and a level 1 and a level 2 risk in place from the Storm Prediction Center, highlighting that some of these storms could be on the stronger side. I'm showing you the model that is a little bit more aggressive when it comes to the rain. We've really seen this emphasis for some showers and thunderstorms across southeast Kentucky, moving into northeast Tennessee. That's where I do expect to see a bulk of the moisture, but still looking at some broken lines of showers and thunderstorms pushing into the Central Valley. That will last through about mid-morning and up into the start of the afternoon. I really do expect things to quiet down heading into the afternoon hours, but it's going to be short-lived as we have another wave of energy that will make its way into the area, perhaps even 2 waves of energy as we go into the start of your Wednesday. So it's this river of moisture. We want to remind you folks, do not drive through flooded roadways. Make sure you have your headlights on and give yourself extra space between you and the vehicle ahead of you. Weather impact alert day today and into the start of your Wednesday. Then we focus our attention on heat for the second half of the week.